What if I told you that extinct animals could walk the earth again? Not in a movie, but in real life. Woolly mammoths, dodos, even the Tasmanian tiger. Sounds unbelievable, right? But thanks to modern science, this might actually happen in our lifetime. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something absolutely mind-blowing called de-extinction. Scientists are now using DNA, cloning, and genetic engineering to bring back animals that humans wiped out. And believe it or not, some of these projects are already happening right now. Let's dive into 7 extinct animals that could actually come back to life. First up is the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine. This animal looked like a mix between a wolf, a tiger, and a kangaroo. It once lived across Australia and Tasmania, but humans hunted it into extinction in the 1930s. The wild part is that scientists still have Tasmanian tiger DNA stored in museums. By editing genes from its closest living relative, researchers believe they can bring the thylacine back. Even better, reintroducing it could help fix Tasmania's damaged ecosystem. Now, before we move on, if this kind of science meets nature content blows your mind even a little bit, take a second to hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this all the time, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Next is the woolly mammoth, probably the most famous extinct animal of all time. Woolly mammoths disappeared around 4,000 years ago, but their frozen remains have been found in Arctic ice with DNA still intact. Scientists plan to combine mammoth DNA with Asian elephant DNA to create a cold-adapted hybrid. This isn't just about bringing back a cool animal. Mammoths could actually help slow climate change by keeping the Arctic colder. Out of all de-extinction projects, this one has the highest chance of success. Now let's talk about the dodo. The dodo lived on a small island and had no fear of humans, which sadly made it easy to wipe out. Within a few decades of human contact, the dodo was gone. Today, scientists are working with the dodo's closest living relative to rebuild its DNA. If successful, the dodo could be reintroduced to its original home. Imagine seeing a living dodo for the first time in more than 300 years. Another fascinating case is the Pyrenean ibex. This species actually went extinct very recently, in the year 2000. Scientists even managed to clone one in 2003, making it the first extinct animal ever brought back, even if only briefly. Unfortunately, it didn't survive due to health issues. With today's advanced technology, experts believe cloning the Pyrenean ibex could finally work. Then there's the passenger pigeon. At one time, billions of these birds filled the skies of North America. They were so numerous they could block out the sun. Humans hunted them relentlessly, and within a few decades, they were completely gone. The problem with bringing back the passenger pigeon is that it needs massive flocks to survive. Reviving just a few wouldn't work, which makes this one of the hardest species to bring back. Next is the quagga, a strange-looking zebra with stripes only on the front half of its body. It went extinct in the late 1800s due to overhunting. But here's the twist. Scientists have used selective breeding to create zebras that look almost exactly like quaggas. While they may not be genetically identical, they closely resemble the original animal. In a way, the quagga has already returned. Finally, we have the ancient bison. This massive Ice Age animal was much larger than today's bison and once roamed across North America. Because modern bison are closely related and well-studied, scientists already understand their reproduction very well. No active effort is underway to revive the ancient bison yet, but if it ever starts, it could happen surprisingly fast. De-extinction isn't just about bringing animals back for curiosity or entertainment. It's about repairing ecosystems that humans have damaged. Think of Earth like a giant Jenga tower. Humans have pulled out too many pieces, predators, grazers, and keystone species, and now the system is unstable. De-extinction gives us a chance to put some of those pieces back and strengthen the planet. So what do you think? Should extinct animals be brought back, or should we leave the past alone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with someone who loves animals or science, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And tell me, which extinct animal would you want to see come back to life?